When a nation passes down the path of progress, it needs a strong partner to bear the load of 1 billion dreams. Manforce trucks perform across the length and breadth of the country, bearing everything from the biggest of loads to the most delicate on the fastest expressways, along winding roads. Manforce haulers are ready for any challenge, powered by the legendary D08 MAN engine and the 9-speed ZF gearbox with crawler gear, which give you outstanding pulling power and climbing ability. The powerful range of Manforce rigids and tractor heads are built for the long haul. Loads of reserve power ensures that the engine is never strained to maximum capacity and hauls the heaviest of loads effortlessly. Large 410 mm diameter air-actuated brakes with the MAN patented exhaust valve brake give you up to 60% higher braking efficiency. An extra strong ladder frame chassis with special high-strength steel provides high torsional and bending stress capability. Heavy-duty bogie suspension offers positive road holding in all terrains and load conditions. Heavy-duty I-beam rigid front axle with maintenance-free unitized hub bearings and MAN planetary hub reduction rear axles ensure higher ground clearance and superior traction. High roof air-conditioned cabin with twin sleeper berth insulates driver and co-driver from extreme weather conditions, assuring top-class productivity throughout the journey. Ergonomic layout of controls and a self-explanatory display system assists in safe operation. Manforce trucks combine MAN's proven German technology with Force Motors' deep understanding of Indian conditions. It was at MAN that Rudolf Diesel built the world's first diesel engine in 1897. A state-of-the-art plant has been set up at Pithampur, near Indore in Madhya Pradesh, with an installed capacity of 24,000 vehicles per annum. A pan-India service network, a comprehensive driver and technician training program make Manforce haulers an ideal choice of leading transporters. A full range of haulers is available for all your heavy-duty load movement across India. Every Manforce hauler is designed for 100% reliability, trouble-free performance and long life, giving you higher returns on investment. Let your next vehicle be a Manforce hauler.